We caught a pigeon. Well, there's a pigeon stuck. Caught one, stuck one. I don't know how in the world he got in there. Or she. Watch out, Mama Birdie. Let me see the pigeon. Watch out. Watch out. Let me see the pigeon. Watch out. Y'all protecting it now? Really? And we're just attacking it. Ah, birdie bird. Can catch her?